it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do want to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make hot chili sauce. Without further ado, let's get started. I will be using a teaspoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of celery powder, a teaspoon of parsley powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of thyme, a bouillon cube, garlic and ginger paste. The link to the video of this paste will be in the description box below. Please check it out. Some salt to taste, some onions, Thai pepper, this is very hot, some red chili pepper, and some clean water to blend. Some oil. The frying should be done on low heat. Allow the water to drastically reduce before adding spices. Add spices, a teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, I just added noodle seasoning. Yes, hot chili sauce is ready. And finally, hot chili sauce is ready to spice your food. Allow to cool before storage. For watching, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.